Welcome! In this video, we're going to learn about variables and data types in Python and how to use them with turtle graphics. Let's start with the objective. Our goal is to understand what variables and data types are, and then use them to help us draw with Python Turtle. What are variables? Variables are used to store information in a program. You can think of them like containers that hold values. These values can be numbers, words, or other types of data. Basic data types. There are a few basic types of data you'll use often. Integers are whole numbers like 5 or 3. Floats are decimal numbers like 3.14 or 0.5. Strings are pieces of text like hello or world. Strings are written inside quotes. Using variables with Turtle. Now, how can we use variables with Turtle? There are two main ways. First, we can use variables to store dimensions. For example, we can save the length of a line or the size of a shape in a variable. Second, variables let us change things easily. If we want to make a shape bigger or smaller, we can just change the value in one place and it will update the whole drawing. That's it for now. You've learned what variables are, the basic data types, and how to use them with Turtle to make coding easier and more flexible. Thanks for watching.